Namaste student, Khushro Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about principle of marketing. In this subject, our topic is nature, scope and importance of marketing. So let's start about nature, scope and importance of marketing. What is marketing? The term marketing is derived from the word market. Market refers to the place or geographical areas where buyer and seller gather and enter into transaction involving transfer or ownership of goods and services. Definition of marketing. There are two types of definition. First one is traditional concept. The traditional concept of marketing can be expressed as the business activity through which goods and service directly move from producer to consumer or users. Modern concept. The term modern concept can be expressed as the achievement of corporate goals through meeting and existing customer needs better than the competition. According to Philip Kotler, the term marketing is a social and managerial process by which individual groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and freely exchanging product and service of value with others. Then nature of marketing. The nature of marketing, first one is human activity. Originally the term marketing is a human activity under which human needs are satisfied by human efforts. It is a human action for human satisfaction. Second is customer or consumer oriented. A business exists to satisfy human needs, hence business must find out what the desire of customer or consumer and thereby produce goods and services as per the needs of the customer. Thus only those goods should be produced that satisfy consumer needs and at a reasonable profit to the manufacturer. Next is art as well as science. In a technological arena, marketing is the art and science of choosing target market and satisfying customer through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. It is a technique of making the goods available at right time, right place into right hands, right quality, in the right form and the right price. So next is exchange process. All marketing activities revolve around commercial exchange process. The exchange process implies transaction between buyer and seller. It also involves exchange of technology, exchange of information and exchange of ideas. Next is it starts and ends with customer. Market is consumer oriented and it is crucial to know what the actual demand of consumer is. This is possible only when required information related to the goods and services is collected from the customer. Thus it is the starting of marketing and the marketing and soon as those goods and services reach into the safe hands of the customer. Next is creation of utilities. Marketing creates for four components of utilization: time, place, position and form. The form utility refers to the product or service a company offers to their customers. The place utility refers to the ability of a product or service in a location easier for customer. By time utility, a company can ensure that products and service are available when customer need them. The possession utility gives customers ownership of a product or service and enables them to derive benefit in their own business. Goal oriented marketing seeks to achieve benefit for both buyers and sellers by satisfying human needs. The ultimate goal of marketing is to generate profits through the satisfaction of the customer. Next is guiding element of business. Modern marketing is the heart of industrial activity that tells what, when, and how to produce. It is capable of guiding and controlling business. Next is system of interaction business activities. Marketing is the system through which a business enterprise, institution, or organization interacts with the customers with the objective to earn profit, satisfy customer, and manage relationship. It is the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and service from producer to consumer or user. Next is marketing is dynamic process. Series of interrelated function. Marketing is a complex, continuous and interrelated process. It involves continuous planning, implementation and control. Next is scope of marketing. The term scope of marketing can be understood in terms of the function of the marketing manager. The major purpose of marketing manager is to generate revenue for the business by selling goods and services to the customer. It lies in ensuring the customer needs and converting them into the product or service and moving the products and service to the final users or customers to satisfy the wants and needs of a specific segment of customers, with emphasis on profitability and ensuring the optimum use of resources available with the organization. The marketing manager has to perform the research function and exchange function. They discuss function of research. The modern marketing activities start with consumer research. It is referred with the analysis of consumer attitude, taste, habits, reaction and preference to the company's product so that the products may be produced according to the needs of the consumer. The major function of research are as follow. Marketing research. The marketing research is helpful in analyzing the customers behavior, popularity of product, effectiveness of advertising, pricing policy, etc. In other words, it is the systematic gathering, recording and analyzing of data about problem relating to the market or marketing of goods and services. For making correct and timely decision, the marketing manager analyze all the available opportunities, threats, strength and weakness of the organization and determine the best opportunity to be pursued for it. Next, product planning and development. Under modern marketing activities, product planning is determined before the start of actual production. It is the process in which shape, size, color, weight, design, packing, etc. of the product is determined on the basis of information gathered with the help of market research. Product development involves decision regarding shape, size, color, weight, design, quality, brand, label, etc. as per the need of the consumer, which will give maximum satisfaction to the consumer and reasonable profit to the manufacturer is marketing. So I repeat, what is marketing? Marketing is derived from word market. Here market refers to the place or geographical area where buyer and seller gather and enter into transaction involving transfer of ownership of goods and services. There are two types of definition. First one is traditional concept, second is modern concept. Nature of marketing. First one is it is human activity, it is consumer oriented, it is art as well as science. It is exchange process, it is start and end with customers, it is creation of utilities, it is goal oriented, it is guiding element of business, and system on interacting business activities. Marketing is a dynamic process. Functions and scope of marketing. The term scope of marketing can be understood term or function of marketing manager. The major purpose of marketing manager is to generate revenue for the business by selling goods and services to the customer, to the consumer. Function research, marketing research, product planning and development. In this session, important question asked in the examination: define marketing and also nature, scope and function of marketing. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In this session, you have any questions, any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.